Hello everyone and welcome to our weather update on January 26, 2025. So, starting off with our wind map from earth.nautical.net, we can see Ireland is currently leaving a spell of calmer winds, and we have this next area of low moving in from southwest. This storm has been named by the Spanish Met Service. I've forgotten what it is and how to say it, but either way, although it's been named by Spain, we will still see impacts from this, especially after Storm Éowyn brought all that damage on Friday. And if we go up here, we can see that this is, or was, the centre of Storm Éowyn. Is currently way up there in the Northern Sea, so it's quite far away now, and it has filled a lot. But for Ireland, our next focus is this low, and we do have multiple yellow warnings issued for that system right across the country for strong winds and heavy rain. So do check out met.ie for further info on those warnings. So here is the UKV high risk chart. We can see that through Sunday morning we are seeing heavy rain pushing up from the southwest quite early this morning, and that will coincide actually with this first band of strong winds that you see here. Then winds will calm down behind the front, but especially in the south later on we'll see this core of winds moving in, and that will bring more strong winds, especially this evening and tonight and for a time tomorrow. Okay, so back to our EKV high res. We can see that heavy rain again this morning. This morning does move in from the south along with strong winds, and through the morning and afternoon that transfers to more northern areas, and elsewhere we see heavy showers pushing in, and I wouldn't rule out storms in these showers as well, because there's some pretty beefy downpours moving in. Now winds do abate, as I said, but through the evening they will pick up. And again, overnight into Monday, we see more heavy showers, especially in the west and south, again with possible hail and thunder. And towards Monday morning, we see more longer spells of rain pushing in from the west. Into Monday itself, we see again it's quite showery, it's quite messy, a lot of showers around, heavy with hail and thunder possible. And into Monday night, these showers do tend to push towards more eastern areas, that is, as the low itself shifts eastwards. And by Tuesday is quite cloudy with showery pieces of rain around in drips and drabs. So Tuesday probably cloudier than Monday, quite cooler as well, and showers not as intense as there'll be on Monday. And then on Wednesday we see this next area of low trying to move in from the south, although it does not succeed. And then we end up in quite a chillier northerly flow by Thursday. Although, having said that, this next front does push in by Friday, and that does herald a change beyond Friday itself. So here is the temperature forecast from the UKV. Temperatures then through the morning will rise from the south after a very cold start in many areas with frost, and by afternoon we have highs of around 3 in the north, so quite chilly there, and about 9 in the south. Into tonight we see lower temperatures of around 4 to 7 degrees, getting milder as the area of rain moves in. Into Monday itself, quite a chilly day in the north, high of 5 degrees, but in the south, again, about 8 or 9. Tuesday sees the cooler air come back around us, so we can see that highs on Tuesday quite widely of around 5 to 7 degrees. Tuesday night sees a frost in some areas, especially through South Leinster and South Connacht. I'm assuming that is clear skies or something. Yes, clear skies there. So that just caused a frost on Wednesday morning. And Wednesday itself is quite a cool day again, highs of around 5 to 7 degrees. Wednesday night is frosty in many areas, and Thursday, again, quite average day really, and then Friday goes milder. Here is, I will just look at wind speeds, wind gusts while I'm here. So UKV, again, you're seeing strong winds pushing into the southwest this morning, and through the morning itself, these winds do transfer northeastwards. So by 10 a.m, you have wind gusts of around a good, widely 50 to 60 miles per hour in many areas of South Connacht, North Munster, and South Leinster, possibly stronger there in the southeast, up to 70 miles per hour for a time. And then these very strong winds will ease northwards through the day. So by about 1 p.m, you have widespread wind gusts of around, as I'd say, 50 miles per hour in Ulster and North Connacht. And then that area of strong winds does ease away by 4 p.m. But then turn your eyes to the southwest. You can see some more strong winds edging in there by the evening, and especially through the south coast. So wind gusts widely, moving about 50 and 60 miles per hour through into Monday morning, but that does ease away into the afternoon. So we do have some areas of strong winds, not nearly as bad as what Éowyn brought us, but again, it's still worth noting, especially after things have probably been weakened by Éowyn. So you can see that very nicely with the GFS. Up comes this low, bringing in that rain and winds. Through into Monday, we see that low coming over us, so winds do fall lighter then, and we see showers and areas of rain. We keep it cyclonic into Wednesday, Thursday time, quite cool as well by then, but by Friday, we're back into a more westerly flow, and high pressure tries to build in there from the south. And then into early February, we just keep it mild, we keep it westerly, stormy for a time as well. And again, it just keeps coming, no breaks. And by the end of the run, going a bit colder for a time as well. So here's the ECM. The ECM, by comparison, again, up comes that low tonight and tomorrow. It gets away by Tuesday. Wednesday, this next low comes in, and then by Thursday it's cooler. By Friday you're back into mild weather, and by the weekend it's mild and quite dry with that area of high trying to move in. And by next Wednesday again it's still mild, with high pressure to our east. So here is the UK Met run. Again, up comes that low tonight, tomorrow even, and Wednesday that low does miss us. Cooler by Thursday especially, then milder by Friday and Saturday and Sunday, very mild by early February, upper air temperatures wafting up from the Azores. Here is the GEM. GEM, once again, deep low today, tonight and tomorrow. Plenty of rain, wind, showers, lightning possible. Tuesday's cooler and cloudier. Wednesday sees that low miss us to our south. Thursday is dry and cool, but Friday, in comes that low again. And then we go very mild by early February with high pressure to the east, low to the west. That high is over Scandinavia by next Monday. So cold air coming out into many areas of Northern Europe there, but as it is, we do miss that, and we stay with a southerly flow and mild weather. Although by Wednesday, the 5th of February, it looks like the high might be winning out, and we're going into cooler MSCS, and the cold air is knocking on the door of England. Obviously, it's only one run and it's a long way off, so that's just eye candy at this point. Here's the Icon run. To the Icon, up comes that low through today and tomorrow. Plenty of rain, wind with that. Beyond that, we go into quite a cool spell this week, quite damp as well. And then we just end up, as I said, again, quite mild by February. Although the icon by next Sunday is bringing in an easterly with the high centered over parts of Russia. The easterly isn't that cold, but there is a pocket of cold air lying over Germany, Denmark, Sweden, Baltic Sea, and that area in general. Like, let's see if I know them: Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland. Cool, I know them. Here's the arpege run. Arpege again, bring in these strong winds and heavy rain through today, tonight, and tomorrow. Beyond that, that low does miss us on Wednesday, so we stay quite cold and dry. And then by next Thursday, we're dry and cool, but we can see there's more westerlies waiting in the wings to our wests. Okay, so again, as I said, plenty of weather happening today, tonight, and tomorrow. A lot to keep an eye on with that low, especially after what happened with Friday. Again, recap that here it is, Storm Éowyn, looking quite innocent now, but we all know the beast that it was about 2 days ago, around there. Everyone, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your Sunday. I'll see you when I see you.